Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Node LTS and NPM installed, plus a Shopify partner account and a development store so you can test. Once done, install Shopify CLI and authenticate to your store. This scaffold link creates app credentials automatically. Create a new app with Shopify App Create and choose your stack. This generates the app structure, env, and config files. Make sure to commit to a local Git branch so you can iterate safely and roll back if needed. Now you build the middle. Implement OAuth and required scopes so your app gets needed permissions. This prevents surprises during install. Once authorized, wire server routes for webhooks and API proxies. Webhooks keep your app in sync. Develop the front end with Polaris components for consistent UX and connect to the backend via secure API calls. While developing, run an ngrok tunnel and update the app URL in the partner dashboard so Shopify can reach your local server. Finish by testing install, uninstall, billing flow if you charge, and every webhook event you rely on. This ensures real installs behave as expected. Once tests pass, package and submit the app listing or deploy to a hosted environment with HTTPS and stable URLs. If something breaks, inspect server logs, confirm the ngrok or host URL matches the partner settings, verify OAuth scopes and redirect URIs, and replay failed webhooks. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most integration errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.